Hello and welcome to Fairgaze, an engagement ecosystem for the school community. I am Zainab Nasir, journalist at Fairgaze Media. Hello ma'am, first of all, we would like to thank you on behalf of our team for taking your precious time out for us. Thank you so much. I would like to introduce Ms. Neha Diwan, Educational Director of Diwan Global School to Everyone. She embraces the belief that all students can learn. Special emphasis should be given on the intellectual, creative, social, emotional, technological, and physical skills that are very necessary for the students in their development years.
Good morning, everyone. I appreciate the work done by Fairgaze here because talking to an educationist and knowing and learning about the opinion of how a teacher, a principal, or educationist feel is very, I think, crucial for the development of our nation. Although everyone is always looking out for the celebrities, the cricket stars and the sports stars, but yes, nobody, I think, cares about how do we feel about our students and about their grooming. So yes, thank you, Fairgaze, for that.
Your current role in the development and implementation of the curriculum in the school, and what do you consider to be your top priorities in the position?
My duties as a head of the school are they start from the scratch, everything from the cleanliness of the school, the part of their their holistic development. What I mean is their social emotional development is important. How much do they learn, what they learn, and how they learn. Not just how much, the quality, the quantity, and how and when, through what medium, the resources. Each and every part of education is well taken care of in Diwan Global School, and we are, as a team, very particular about their holistic development. And I think there are both pros and cons to the online education.
What all changes had to be made on the managerial front, for teachers also? The shift from in-person teaching to online teaching, how different was it for the management?
It's a great paradigm shift. The online teaching for few days would not be, it wouldn't have looked so challenging.
Right.
But when it came to teaching them for the complete session, initially from 3 months, then to 6 months, then the full session, and now continuing this system for the second year. And now I think teachers are happier than what they were in offline teaching, because they are teaching children from the comfort of their home. And yes, children are reaching out to their teachers even for bigger things, for smaller things, and even parents are also reaching out.
So my next question would be a follow-up question, So how important do you think has holistic learning approach become in the students' development years? And, because the parents are actually taking the initiative now, they have the time for it. How important is it?
I wouldn't say that they have the time for it. Take out the time from their very tight schedules and taking care of their children, because it has actually become a compulsion to sit down with their child in front of the camera, because you cannot leave the child unattended for the online class. I'm especially talking about the early years right now, the primary and the early years, because child needs constant attention. So it is a need of an hour. They are supposed to do that. There's no other option. And holistic development of the child has always been important. This is the time of skill development. This is the time when you have to be a constant learner. However you do, is actually less. You need to learn, you need to keep yourself updated. You need a variety of skill sets to be successful in this era. And that is what we are trying to teach our children.
Yeah, actually, all of the real heroes right now. It's actually to be, congratulated and celebrated that all the principals across the world are, having these approaches towards, how to make things better and functional for everyone, actually. Teaching staff, non-teaching staff, students, parents, everyone. So, and it was so lovely talking to you, ma'am. Listening to all your views on how, you took things forward and what you think about school, your philosophy and all of that. We would really like to thank you for that and taking your time out for us.